sound of birds. Oh wow, the rain wasn't supposed to happen for another 30 minutes. Well, it's a good thing I just handed them their food. Stripes says, let me in the house, Mom. I really, that wasn't expected right then. You can go in. Let me get Tux's food in closer to him. Go. Go on. Go. I'll be in a minute to check on you. I mean, you ran to the door when you felt the rain, so go in. I got a little problem here with carpenter bees. Here, we're going to move you over here. Okay? We don't want your food to get wet. I love you. Get up underneath there better. It's coming. I have no words for burning leaves up there. No words. Well, actually, I have a lot of words. I just can't say them on YouTube. Hi, Panther. Good morning. Yeah, my phone said thunderstorm at 10:45 and it's 9:45, so it's almost already stopped. I don't think that's the big rain. I think that's just a little sprinkle out in front of the big rain. That was a bee in my camera lens. You doing good, buddy? Love you. Good boy. Hey there. Hi. Good morning. No Johnny today. He's at his dad's house. I'm sorry. I'll be in to see you more. He'll be home tomorrow. Marty had his face in the door and I opened the door up and he really had to think about it, but he walked in on his own. Hey, bud. I'm sure it didn't hurt that he could see Stripe. Hey, buddy. It's not raining too bad out there. It's playing it raining. Maybe we'll get a good pollen washing downpour here in a bit. This is why we did not have the meet up today, because these showers were in the forecast. I see Marty and Stripe up the hill at the chair. Tux came down off the platform looking for love in all the mom places. I don't know where Morris is. It's currently not raining, but I do think it's going to rain again, and we're going to go get in our walk. I think we have just enough time to walk the usual path at South Park and not get wet. Hopefully we won't get wet today. I'm not in the mood for wet today. Oh, down there by the park map, they've put out the Easter egg town hunt painted eggs again for this year. It's cute. You just drive or walk around town and try to find them all. I guess there's a piece of paper or a map or something online that tells you where they are or what they look like. It would be a way to help you explore your town a little bit, hunting for the eggs. They will have, I want to say next weekend at Fleming Loop Park, thank God not South Park, the annual town Easter egg hunt, and so that'll be fun for the kids too. I say not South Park because of all the candy trash. We won't see it over there. The town does send in a crew and really does pick it all up, and hopefully people do what they should do too, so it's not so bad to begin with. But I won't be upset if they don't, you know, do it at South Park. They used to do it at South Park. That's where the kids and I used to go when they were little. Even when we didn't live in the town. It was open to everyone. And it was a lot of fun. This for sale sign is new, and I say in this case that's great because back up in there right here at the driveway, people are starting to dump bags of trash. It may not sell quick, who knows, but the house is not in livable condition anymore, and somebody taking over that property and putting a home on it would be nice.
I don't think that a home, I'm sure a developer is going to buy
Yeah, I hear you.
And they're going to put 3 or 4 or 5 homes on that.
Yep. I think this is Vinca vine. You know, because of the old homestead here, there are a few flowers that pop up from time to time. Hey, Donnie.
You gonna get me wet again today? Is that what you're planning?
Well, my plan was to get the walk in so we didn't get wet.
But we've already filled up a full bag and found another bag of trash.
Yep.
Oh.
There was a large notebook in the middle of the road and I couldn't tell what it was, so I grabbed a trash bag out of the back of Jules, just a grocery bag, so we could pick it up, and it was all wet. It wasn't particularly nasty, but I was worried it was something worse. And then one thing led to another, and we cleaned up all the area between the two parks, which we seem to keep redoing that one area and do a great job of keeping it clean, but there's so much other stuff on Wagstaff that needs help. But we walk past there every day, so at least the part we walk past we clean. But we were supposed to have until 1 o'clock. It's currently 12:08 before the rain settled in again, round 2. And we've already felt a sprinkle, and my watch has already tried to indicate that it might rain in 15 minutes, so who the heck knows. There's a Carnivore and Cars up at Wake Forest today. It's a Rotary Club fundraiser, and we did consider going, but
the rain.
Yeah, the rain. It's already rained once. It's already going to rain again. We've already got the meetup tomorrow. Usually we do one thing on the weekend. You know, now that Dawn's not working, we can do things during the week. Like Monday might be WRAL Azalea Garden Tulips Day. So it's just a combination of factors. We seriously considered it today, but then decided no. Yep. This couple here just picked up these refurbished Jupiter bikes from a guy in Fuquay. $500, they said. They're loving them. We told them to go out to the art museum and go on that trail. The ball team's over here playing. The rain didn't hold out till 1 o'clock, but it's a light rain and it's plenty warm, so I'm not feeling cold or anything. Actually feeling, dare I say, better than normal today. I seem to have a little more pep in my step today. It's raining pretty good now. I'm proud of them kids still being out there doing their drills.
No lightning.
Yeah, there's not any thunder or lightning at all. Have not even remotely heard a rumble. And Dawn and I have on short sleeves and we're not cold, although we do have on a hat. Some of those kids have hats or hoods, some don't. A hat is definitely helpful. Makes it much more comfortable walking in the rain. Trust me, we know. Most of the parents are in the picnic shelter, the dugout, or standing with an umbrella by the bleachers. Don't you think the parents want to be out here walking the track with us, Donnie? But to be clear, it has nothing much to do with the rain. I'm sure the little kids which are out there today appreciate Mom and Dad watching. But it'd be a good time to get in a walk, some exercise. When the boys played, we helped coach, got out there. Of course, it took a little bit of that to get them to play. Well, we're here at the end of the trail, and for now it stopped raining. It was never really bad today. Dawn and I are good as long as we don't have rain dripping in our eyes or we're chilled. No chill today. As a matter of fact, if anything, I'd say right now I'm hot. Bring on a little more raindrop. But maybe not right before I sit in the nice clean car. Got bacon in the oven, and I'm going to work on my bunny rabbit here a little bit. This was my cat defeat safety device last night on all of my little bricks. And Stripey's in the house grooming. He had gone up in Johnny's chair when he's gonna, you know, kind of just nap and doesn't want to be bothered. He likes that nice quiet spot up there. We'll see if he goes back there in a minute. Dawn and my shoes are cleaned and drying. And Marty's got himself situated up top in the cat hotel. Nice dry spot. I don't know where Morris is at the moment. And of course, Tux is over here on his platform. Well, you can go back out if you want to, but why don't you think about it for a minute? Because it's just wet and, you know, you got you a place here to sleep. Why don't you think about it for just a minute? And then if you're still asking, I'll open the door again. Mr. In and Out. I hear, though, that when you press the software tab and it checks, then it doesn't check for time. It's kind of like giving up your chance. It's sort of like checking for updates. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Please, Tesla gods, put out the update to the car. Your car is up to date as of 4:08 p.m. and it didn't do a darn thing. All right, well, I'm willing to try Jules too. I'm getting tired of not having it and wondering about it. It's torture. It's torture. Yes, and it was quite discouraging. Jules didn't get it either. I want the update. Little girl stomps foot. Dr. Barry's keeping me and Don company in the background. He's on Twitter, and I just finished the bunny and carrot, and the tagger had this cardinal base little plant thing, and I probably have enough of the bricks or can substitute any missing bricks to go ahead and build that, so I'm going to build that too. There's the little cardinal on his little miniature island. Perfect for spring. Super glad I put it together. I had to pull out a couple of my parts from my collection. I had brand new ones, so that matches perfectly, and I like it for my Easter collection for sure. Sit down with you for a minute? Huh? Talk to me. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna sit. Meh. Marty's coming over too. Oh, the sun is out, people. We have sun. We also have cat cuteness. Marty never knows whether Tux is gonna be happy to see him or swat him. Hey, Mark man. Hi guys, come here, see Mama.